Good afternoon, it's Dave with Sell House Columbus, and we are doing a very impromptu closing today from inside of our office manager's office because there's actually people out there doing something else. So I'm here with Beth, and we just purchased Beth's house. And how did you find us originally? You had kind of mentioned that before.
I got a postcard in the mail, and I called the number on it and was called immediately back. Set up an appointment for the very next day to come and look at the house and talk about purchasing it.
Sweet. And this particular house was one you bought it, you were going to move there, but then you live a little bit out of town and just never, the plan to move in stopped, so you decided to sell it pretty much, right?
That's correct.
And so did anybody else come out and look at the house? Did you call any other postcards, or were we the only one?
I did call 2 other postcards. One I had to leave a message with, one called back, but they left me a message.
Hey.
By happenstance of good fortune, I got to contact with you.
You know, and that's why it's so important that we are on top of our phone calls. So with that being said, last question, what would you say to somebody else who wants to sell their house for cash and receives one of our postcards?
I would say definitely call you first. Don't bother calling anybody else.
Well, it's a pleasure doing business with you. Anything I can do to help you in the future. And if you have a house you want to sell for all cash, you can find us online, sellhousecolumbus.com, or pick up the phone, call us anytime, 614-300-5151. I'm Dave Payerchin, and we'll see you on the next video.